Hello everyone, it's Cleofe again and welcome to Crafting Shed. This is the tutorial of the 6th square in my motif square challenge. It's my compilation of square motif tutorials for myself, but I put them up in YouTube to share with everyone. For this motif, it is a simple round of double crochets and finished with single crochets in the last round. Let's get started. I'm using size 4 medium weight yarn and size G 4mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and blunt needle. Let's start with a knot and begin round 1. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then in the first chain, we're going to do 11 double crochets right here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Then join with a slip stitch in the fourth chain of beginning chain 4 to end round 1. We should have 12 double crochets including the first chain 4. So this is round 1. Round 2, chain 3. 1, 2, 3, double crochet in the same stitch. 2 double crochets in the next stitch. So right here, 1, 2. Repeat the pattern, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, 1 and 2, and each of the stitch around. So 2 double crochets here also. Repeat this pattern around. I'll be cutting off the video and I'll be back towards the end of the round. I'm here now towards the end of the round, so this round should have 24 double crochets. Join with a slip stitch in the third chain of beginning chain 3 to end round 2. So this is how to end round 2, and this is what round 2 looks like. Round 3 will transition into a square, so start with chain 3, double crochet in the same stitch. We'll do our first corner here, chain 2, and 2 double crochets in the same stitch right here, 1 and 2. So this will be our first corner. Looks like this. Then double crochet in the next 5 stitches, starting here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then do the second corner in the next stitch. This is what it looks like. So in the next stitch, 2 double crochets, 1, 2, chain 2, another 2 double crochets in the same stitch, 1 and 2. Second corner made. Then repeat the pattern, double crochet in the next 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what it looks like, the second side. Then corner stitch again, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, 1 and 2, chain 2, another 2 double crochets in the same stitch. For the third corner, double crochet in the next 5 stitches to repeat the round, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then in the next stitch, our fourth corner, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets in the same stitch, 1 and 2. Then we're about to end the round, just double crochet in the last 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then join with a slip stitch in the third chain of beginning chain 3. Right here. So this is how to end round 3, and this is what round 3 looks like. Round 4, slip stitch to the next chain 2 space. So slip stitch in the next stitch first and then into the next chain 2 right here, so that we can start with the corner stitches, which is chain 3, double crochet in the same stitch, same space, chain 2, another 2 double crochets in the same space, 1 and 2, and we just started with the first corner. Then double crochet in the next 9 stitches, starting here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then corner stitches again, 2 double crochets in the next chain 2 space, chain 2, another 2 double crochets in the same space, 1 and 2. So repeat this pattern around. I'll be cutting off the video and I'll be back towards the end of the round. I'm here now towards the end of the round. So to end this round, join with a slip stitch in the third chain of beginning chain 3 right here. So this is how to end round 4, and this is what round 4 looks like. Round 5, chain 1, single crochet in the same stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, and in the next chain 2 space we're going to do 3 single crochets here, 1, 2, 3. Then single crochet in each stitch across this side, then corner stitches in the chain 2 space. So repeat this pattern around. I'll be cutting off the video and I'll be back towards the end of the round. I'm here now towards the end of the round. So to join this round, just slip stitch in the first single crochet right here. And this is our last round for this motif. So I'm gonna pull the yarn to get a tail, cut the yarn, then weave the tail, sew in the same last stitch right here to get that invisible join, then weave the tail in this back stitches like this. And then for the beginning tail, pull tightly to close off the center, then sew in one direction and one more in the opposite direction to secure the yarn. Cut the ends to clean up the piece. So we're done. This is now what the piece looks like, all cleaned up and all done. If you're new to my channel, please check out my other videos. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video and please subscribe.